it works, especially when it's your heart. Your heart, your life, your happiness is your responsibility and your responsibility alone. As long as we're pointing the finger and stuck in whose fault something is, we're jammed and trapped into victim mode. When you're in victim mode, you're stuck in suffering. Road to power is in taking responsibility. Your heart, your life, your happiness is your responsibility.
Hey, thank y'all for getting to this video. In this video, I just want to show you, man, how you can use free apps, man. Free apps that you can download from the Apple Store, the Android Store, and you can use to generate, you know, saying roughly about a couple of $100 every week, man. So this is how I go about using the apps. I actually just post an ad on Facebook. I actually have a video and a picture available. And look, I posted this ad on Valentine's Day. I think that was like on a Wednesday, and today is Monday the 19th. Let me just show you Monday the 19th, and I actually have 387 comments, a couple of likes, and maybe like 90 shares. People are sharing this, but let me just show you what I you know, this ad is still running. You know, 18 hours ago, you know, people have been still asking for information, so they're just showing you the app has did good. And let me just show you what these apps can do. So say like out of them 100-something people, I actually been sending them apps before. So imagine like I use like the Cash App. If they haven't never used the Cash App, I definitely send them the Cash App, and a lot of people haven't been using it. So you know, Cash App should actually just, you know, pays its member to refer people and get people to use the app. So on Wednesday, I actually cashed out $205 just to clear my account for this ad campaign. And so often, once I cleared it out, I made $85 to this day from that one ad. And from the same ad, I use Dosh as well, because some people have the Cash App as well. So I use Dosh. So remember, I cashed out my PayPal. I cashed out on that Valentine's Day as well, so I can clear my account and see what I made. So as for right now, I made $60, which is ain't bad. So, and I actually use Chime as well. Some people have the Dosh and Cash App, so I use Chime as well. So Chime, I have I posted that on the 14th, so I got one on the 15th, 16th. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 on, and one of them just came in not too long ago. So if you add all that up, that's actually $295. I made $295 in less than a week from using these 3 free apps, people. You know, I'm just letting y'all know this is powerful. And if you don't have the free apps, all you have to do, just click the links below. There's 3 free apps. You can actually get like $35 if you use all 3 apps. It's free at the bottom. Click the links. Use my referral code and do what you're supposed to do. You definitely get the $35. If you have the app already, all the apps, only thing you have to do is just click my training below. Get the training so you can be able to generate, you know, this on a weekly basis from free apps, people. So, you know, if you find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right, peace.